What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Leslie Tyler, the creator. Chromakopia cover. This is weird. This is like a horror picture. He's got a weird mask on. Let's try and draw it. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So I guess we gotta start with these like circles for his eyes. So like glasses, his head is tilted this way. So we'll do the mask. So we'll go around. It's kind of like, it reminds me of, you know, the lenses of someone's glasses, that sort of shape. It's kind of slanted down. And then we'll go, like his nose will be there, but we'll do this. And do this other side. Okay, and there might be like a little bit of an edge line to these now as well. So there is, I looked up a couple of different images. In this image, you can't see, he has eyebrows drawn on. Like I've seen the mask, like not in this. So there is eyebrows there. But it's tricky. Well, let's get his eyes in, right? So he's like looking up. So we'll do like top eyelid line. I imagine he has eyelashes, but who knows. Bottom eyelid line here. And then his iris, just like looking up. And I'm just gonna color these black and leave like little highlights. So I'm gonna like maybe leave one. I'll leave one down here anyway. Just do a circle. Maybe I'll leave one up here too. Okay. And then I'm guessing we have some sort of eyelid lines in here. You can see like side of his face sort of bags under his eyes and stuff here. But again, all very dark in there, so not visible. But I imagine he has some cheek lines and stuff there. So the other eye. Top eyelid line there. And then down. He's like squinting. And then looking up. And again, I will leave a little highlight. As I color it black. And then we'll just go for his sort of eyelid lines and stuff all here. So now, we got like a big nose coming down this way, right? Very large. And then there's a nostril here, I think. The skin of it on the side kind of goes up here and joins like another strange sort of edge like that. And then it seems to curve around the bottom. It goes real long on this side. Like that. It's like the bridge of his nose that side, and maybe another sort of wide bridge of his nose. Again, it's unusual. I think it's something like that. So there are eyebrows there, so I'm gonna put them in because I think they're barely visible, but they're like drawn on cartoon kind of style eyebrows, right? That kind of a thing. And then his mouth, so big, exaggerated lips. Top lip. So I always imagine kind of like a bow and arrow, you know, the handle of a bow and arrow, that kind of shape for this, for the top lip area. It always reminds, you know, when you pull like that, that always reminds me of it. And then his bottom lip there, and then we give sort of a top lip area there, maybe like a chin line. So this face is like real round because of the mask, and there's like straps and stuff. So, right, so real roundy chin. And it kind of goes, we'll just go, maybe it bumps a little bit here, but it'll go up to the strap. And then the other side, up to the eyebrow, and there's like, you know, a line on the mask here, like a light one. And then a strap comes out from a little hole here, goes around his head. And then this comes out this way. And the mask doesn't reach the top of his forehead, it just kind of goes here. So it's like there's another little section, and then we have hair. So strap here, strap there, and his ears like being squished by the strap. So it's like it's squished up. He's got a diamond earring here, I think. So, where's his hairline? Okay, so his hairline, as I said, so it's kind of bumpy across here, wavy, curly hair. And that's like up into sort of bumps. And to the other side, comes out from the strap. It's quite big now. This side is anyway. I think there's kind of, it's like shaped, it's like, it's weird. It's like that kind of. Maybe like little hairs sticking off and textures inside. Okay. Bump, bump, bump. Now, suit jacket, shirt and tie, and a hand. So, let's see back of his neck, just there. And then the collar of his shirt comes around all the way under to his chin. I'll give him a neck muscle because he's human. And it's always a good reason. And then the jacket comes down that way. Kind of like comes to a V sort of here. And then inside we have his collar of his shirt there. And then not a bow tie, but a regular necktie. And then jacket, collar, that comes out from behind his neck even. I think it's got a little, it's dark there, I can't see. Brighten it up, makes no difference. Okay, so there's like a little lip that should be there, but I can't see it, so I think it goes like that. And then the other side, like so, kind of points upwards because his shoulder's up. And then he has a big old shoulder. Looks, it's cut off here, so I'm gonna have to make this up a little bit, but I imagine it just goes off that way. And then there's probably a little button or something here, usually is on these sorts of jackets. And then like his shoulder will go off that way. So we'll do the hand and then join everything up. So his sleeves, we got like, say, like his sleeve here. This like comes up to his wrist and it's like the palm of his hand there. Got like a sort of a wrist bone line there, maybe here as well. So this like curves around. Okay, so then thumb. So we'll go thumb knuckle up this way, right? It's kind of long. The hand is like outstretched, so it goes this way. And your thumb normally, goes back into that area. And then his pinky sort of comes up here. So hands are tricky, especially like the pose that he's holding here, so. Take your time. This other finger sort of like hangs out here somewhere. And these two maybe are outstretched a bit, but This one seems to go fairly straight up. Straight up. Sort of. This way. So that, I think, is how his hand is placed, especially up here. I'm not quite so sure, but I think that would make sense to me anyway, if he's doing like this kind of pose. Anywho, shoulder, he's got that lapel, but it's kind of like scrunched up again. So it's like, okay, that's it, I think. Chromakopia, Tyler, the creator. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.